Are you overpaying $2,000 or more a year for home insurance? In the next 90 seconds, you'll learn how to slash your premium by 20 to 40% without sacrificing coverage. Whether you live in the US, the UK, Australia, Canada, France, or even Russia, these tips will help you find the cheapest home insurance while staying fully protected. In the US, bundling home and auto can cut premiums by 15 to 30%. UK homeowners who combine buildings and contents save an average of £50 to £100 a year. US families can drop their premium nearly 20% by choosing a $2,000 versus a $1,000 deductible. In Canada, higher deductibles of 1,000 CAD or more reduce rates by up to 25%. Use multi-carrier platforms like Value Penguin in the US, Money Supermarket in the UK, Finder in Australia, and Rate Hub in Canada to compare at least 10 insurers. In the US, Class 4 shingles can earn you a 5 to 15% discount. Monitored alarms, smoke detectors, and proximity to fire hydrants cut US rates by 10% or more. Australian insurers reward smart home tech like leak detectors and cameras with up to 8% off. Insure to replacement cost, not market price. US homeowners save $300 to $600 per year on a $350,000 policy. Mandatory in France for code upgrades, often excluded by default. Adding it can prevent 10 to 20% extra rebuilding costs. A video or photo log can speed claims and secure full payout. US insurers recommend this to avoid 5 to 10% underpayments. For claims over $10,000, hiring a public adjuster can increase your payout by 20 to 30%. UK. Pay annually to avoid 5% finance fees and shop early before April market-wide hikes. Canada. Bundle through credit unions for member-only rates 10 to 15% below market average. France. Compare via Les Frais. Free basic tenant coverage starts at €100 per year. Russia standard packages or standard no Strakovania Gilia cost only 5,000 to 10,000 rubles per year. Negotiate group rates via HOAs. Those are your top strategies to find the cheapest home insurance, no matter where you live. If you saved even a few $100s today, hit like and let me know which tip surprised you most. Don't forget to subscribe to InsureSavvy for weekly expert advice on saving money and protecting what matters. See you next time. If you found these tips valuable, smash that like button and subscribe to InsureSavvy for more expert advice. Stay savvy, stay protected.